there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing an unboxing. I have all of my 3 boxes and I'm so excited to dive into them. So if this is something that interests you, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with Birchbox as usual, and this is what the outside of the box looks like. It says friendship is all about with you. Oh, it's all about, oh, I get it now. I was like wondering what the hell does that mean. We got stickers also in the box, so you could you know, kind of stick it on and give the box to someone, and you could yeah, describe what your friendship is about. It's about making memories, learning, traveling, growing old, laughing, having adventures, drinking, going dancing, creating, or having fun. So yeah, that's that. The first thing is a foil packet, and this one is from Philip Kingsley. This is the Elasticizer Therapies. This is a deep conditioning treatment. I love these little things because I find the deep conditioning treatments are so much better than conditioners. I don't think I'll ever buy a conditioner anymore. I'll just be using the deep conditioning treatments on my hair as a conditioner because I can see the difference in my hair. They're much more shinier and just smoother and just looks nice. So I'm excited to see what this one is all about. Another foil packet. This one is from Estee Lauder, and this is the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. So we got a little sample of a cream from Estee Lauder. Don't mind it. It probably is a 1 or 2 time use, which is fine if you're going on a staycation, for example. Next up, we have the Nux Bioorganic Marine Seaweed Skin Correcting Moisturizing Fluid. So I would say this is a moisturizer. Not bad. I am almost finished with my moisturizer actually. So little left. I use this Estee Lauder pot. Like, what am I saying? Pot. It's from another moisturizer that I used up from Estee Lauder, which I really enjoy and I would repurchase, but I have like three moisturizers now to go through before I can repurchase. But yeah, interesting, not bad. Next up, we have the MCO Beauty Peachy Gloss Hydrating Lip Oil. This is the thing that we had chosen to be included in our box, and it was a bullet lipstick or a lip gloss. I said I prefer a lip gloss because bullet lipsticks are not my favorite, but this one is really a kind of a lip oil, which is even better. So let's give it a swatch. It has a weird chemically scent, so this is what it looks like. Not bad, actually. Really like the color, really kind of natural and would go perfectly with anything that you put underneath. So interesting. Next up, we have the This Works Stress Check Roll-On. This is a roll-on perfume to calm your senses. Now this is interesting. I think I might put it on my nightstand to help me sleep. I can't. Is it that eucalyptus? Definitely eucalyptus. I really love the scent of eucalyptus. Oh, it smells so good. Really, really nice product. I enjoyed that. And then the last little thing is an eyebrow gel. This one is from the Beauty Crop. This is the BFF Brow Friends Forever Clear Brow Gel. Interesting. I am working through my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This doesn't seem to end ever, and this is a mini. I've probably had it for about half a year now and it's still going strong, so it'll be a while before I was rudely interrupted. Stop it! Biggie! He was barking at the rain because I have Velux windows here, right? And there's basically, it's raining, and he was just going mental for it. Why are you being like this? Okay, anyway, before I was rudely interrupted, I already have a few backups of like clear brow gels, so it's gonna be a while before I can use this one up. Overall, interesting. Look at his face, he's still looking at the window. Interesting box. Is it my favorite? No, and actually they haven't included any sneak peeks for next month, so it's kind of disappointing. Okay, so it is time for Glossybox, and Glossybox seems to be a little bit more interesting. They forgot to include the leaflet inside at all, like whatsoever, so we're just gonna go off with what we have here and no sneak peek for next month as well. This is the Imperial Leather Foam Burst. This is a luxury gel to foam body wash, and it is in the lychee and lotus flower. I'm gonna go mad. Tristan, and it is in the lychee and lotus flower scent. Interesting, really excited to see how that works. Next up we have something super exciting, and I was actually wanting to buy this for myself with my own money. This is the Wishful. This is Huda Beauty's skincare line, and this is the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. This contains pineapple enzyme, papaya enzyme, AHA and BHA. So basically, from what I saw on the online, like on videos and stuff like that, you rub it into your face and it actually creates kind of collects dead skin into like kind of little balls, which is very interesting. I've tried something similar from, oh, what is it called, the Real Chemistry brand, and I really enjoyed that one, so I'm hoping this one is as good, basically. Next up I have the Avantvous Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidizing Duo Moisturizer. This is a repeat product. I think last month or 2 months ago we received something like that from LookFantastic. I don't mind because I go through moisturizers anyway, so you know, it's not a bad thing to have a backup of a moisturizer. And next up we have the Ameliorate Intensive Skin Therapy. Okay, what is it? Apply this non-greasy multi-purpose balm to any troublesome areas and gently massage the balm until it is completely absorbed. You can apply a thick layer to allow the treatment to work while you sleep. Use at least 2 times daily, so twice a day, or for the first week, and then use as often as required. So I wonder if this is going to be something similar to the Dr. Pawpaw multi-purpose balm. Oh, it's close, I can't see. I'm interested to find out if it's the same or if it is something totally different. And then we have the Mine Tan Coffee Scrub. I actually already have this. I received it in some other box, and I used it a couple of days ago to, you know, exfoliate my skin to prepare my body for a tan. And oh my god, this is really nice. Oh, I love the scent of coffee in anything except maybe ice cream. I don't like coffee ice cream, but anything else, it smells like sweet coffee. Oh, so nice. And the coffee particles are not super big, so it's not as abrasive as you might think. It's actually quite delicate, which is great because it just works so good. I really like that one. And the last thing that we have here is a chocolate from Lindt. This is the Lindor milk chocolate bar. Unfortunately, I am on keto at the moment, so I can't have that, but I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow, so I might give it to her child because I'm pretty sure he'll be ecstatic over it. So yeah, that is it for Glossybox. No leaflet, unfortunately. Stop it! Chocolate not for doggo. Chocolate not for doggo. He's now, oh god, we went for a walk, and why you this annoying? You should be sleeping. Anyway, that is it for Glossybox, and let's move on to LookFantastic. It's actually LookFantastic's birthday month, so we got the birthday box, which is very, very interesting. Okay, first thing I see is a jade roller. Now I already own a jade roller, so what I'm going to do is I am going to give either one of them to my friend. I'm pretty sure she will love that. But anyway, this is what it looks like, and what you're supposed to do is just massage your face. Now this one seems a little bit better because this one only has one side and a different color as well, and this one has two sides, so you can use that one underneath your eyes and the bigger side on your whole face basically. So I am going to give one to my friend because I don't need two. Next up I have another moisturizer. So I have like 5 moisturizers now to go through, so I'll never get through to the Estee Lauder one that I want to repurchase. But anyway, I shouldn't complain. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is an anti-wrinkle day cream. I think I've already tried this. I think I've already used it up. We must have gotten in one of those boxes before, but I don't remember how I feel about it, so I don't know. Next up I have the Espa Pink Hair and Mud or Scalp Mud. So this is an intensive treatment mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. Interesting. So what am I supposed to do? Oh, leave it on for 20 minutes if preferred, or overnight if preferred. I think I would use it overnight actually. So you know, you're supposed to massage it through damp scalp and hair, and leave it on for 20 minutes or leave it on overnight. Don't mind if I do actually. Next up I have the Diego Della Palma. This is a lip pencil, and I have the shade 80, I think. So let's just give it a little. This is what it looks like. This is a wooden pencil, but it's actually quite creamy, so don't mind if I do. This actually looks really, really nice. Lovely color. I think it would go well with most of the lipsticks that I have. And next up I have a Luxie. We got a Luxie brush, and this is the large shader brush. Oh, I love Luxie brushes. They're so they feel so luxurious, and you know, the rose gold here and the pink. Oh, really, really nice. So definitely, yeah, super huge. I don't know, well, I could use it for my under eyes actually. Interesting. I love getting new brushes, because who doesn't love that? I hate buying brushes, and I just love receiving them in my boxes. The last makeup thing that we have is from Illamasqua, and this is the Beyond Powder Highlighter, and I have my one in the shade OMG. So we got a highlighter. Oh, very, very nice. Look at this packaging. It's tiny, but it's really, really nice. So let's give it a swatch and see how it looks. Yeah, typical golden highlight. Now I have so many highlighters in my collection that another one, not great. I might have to actually go through my collection and see what I can declutter, because there's only so many highlighters that I can use on my face. The last thing that we got is a LookFantastic pop socket. It's great. I have one from Beauty Bay, so I'm not going to remove it. I'm going to keep it. But this one I'm going to keep for whenever I get a new phone and just pop it on the new case. So yeah, I love pop sockets. They're so handy. But yeah, that is it. And September sneak peek is a by Terry product, and it is the Baume de Rose Flaconette. So this is a lip balm that combines luxury and protection, infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E. So this is what it looks like. We'll probably get a little mini size, but I don't mind. I really don't mind. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Stop it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, that is it. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.